I got this clock, a beautiful clock from a junk seller, and this is the machine which came with it. There's one spring which holds the pendulum is missing, and I've got the hour and minute hand and the screw nut. Not in a bad shape, in a very good shape considering the age. Made in 1930s, and this is Anglo SWISS watch company, a Swiss national who started his horology in Kolkata back in British times in India. So I'm not gonna retain whatever way it is. Now I'm gonna restore this to its former glory. I still don't know how to refurbish this, so I'm gonna give this to a specialist, and I've removed most of these screws from this, so I just need to restore the case with some wood filler and decent wood oil to protect the wood. And I'm not gonna restore the dial, but I certainly wanted to treat the rusting issues what it has. So maybe sandpaper it and spray it gray just to restore it. I still need to find out how to prevent the spray doesn't leak into the dial. Yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. And it's not in a bad shape. The wood looks good. Yeah, let's see how this comes. Let me show you the back side. It comes with the nice window. Yeah, this is something which has come out. I may have to replace it with some vinyls. So I'll keep this as it is to take a template out of it, get some vinyl, and just replace it. Or I just have to remove this, apply some glue, and try reusing it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, need a little bit of sanding, and the good thing is I don't see any worms, woodworms or termites. Okay, let's give it a go.